Hi, welcome. We're going to do a service reset on a Mercedes A-Class 2014. So with the ignition in position 1, you need to hold the phone answering button, this one, and OK. But you need to push this one first and then the OK, holding in for about 4 seconds to access, because if it takes you through to the trip mileage reset, then it's gone wrong. So I'm going to have to put the phone down or just pause for a second to get into the correct menu. Okay, so now I'm in the correct menu. That's going to be displayed on your dash. So all you need to use after that is just your arrow keys, up and down and OK to acknowledge. So going down to vehicle assist, push OK. Service data, full service, push OK again, then brings you up your service volumes. You need to go down to the bottom, confirm full service. All grade, doesn't really matter, service carried out, so that's yes. Confirm, push enter, full service complete. So just to double check, turn the ignition off, take the key out, put the key back in, and now when you fire it up, we're all good to go. You can always check that by going back into your service menu to confirm, but it's reset. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.